Yeah, right now is yet. What time is in India? 10:30, right?
10:40 right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We went ahead, so right now mine is 12:15.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you have prepare all these things. Are you ready for interview?
No, that's what I was telling you. Like, I'm trying to get it, but I'm not doing it. But like, I did. I'll go step by step. Okay, so you just understand.
Mhm.
Like, I know what do you mean by SDLC, software development life cycle. It's basically the software program they created so they can update and maintain the software in a computer, right? So for the basic they require requirement analyzation, then they define, then design, then they test, then they coding, and then development, and then maintenance. That's a cycle.
Yes, this is a cycle. Okay.
Okay. Uh, what about the normalization? Normalization is a part to make sure there is no data repetition in a SQL, and they want to make sure that whatever the data they present is more useful.
Mhm.
Okay. The types of normalization. It's the first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and Boyce and Codd normal form, and fourth normal form. Most of the time, we always use the three normal form. So the first
Mhm.
normal form is basically has a unique tables and everything. Has to
Mhm.
have a uh, 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 then second normal form is the same thing, but it shouldn't have a transfer deficiency, you
Yes.
know. And then Boyce and Codd normal form, you should have all these four things.
Mhm.
uh, I understood like it's a sequence wise. You should also have a transparency. It have transfer. You should have a transparency. You should have multi-level functional key and super level key. Those are the four like a sequence wise. This is the whole column. Like first normal form is equal has to be in the second and third or fourth normal form. That's what it is. That's what I did it. Then the types of data SQL servers is about the date, time. It comes in a YChart comes in a 4 to 5 different charts. They all comes in a different, but it's more than that.
Yeah.
Uh, entity relationship is one to many, and many to many.
Yeah.
Acid properties is atomicity, consistency, isolation, and duration. It's basically when you, uh,
That is durability.
oh, durability. Oh, durability. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
Different types of code. It has to be guaranteed access role, a guaranteed information role, guaranteed access role, systematic treatment of null values, view online catalog, view updating rule, high level, high insert update rules, uh,
Mhm.
physical independence, logical independence, integration, and distribution intimacy and knob subversion version rule. So these are the 12 rules. And
Mhm.
then different types of joints: inner join, left join, right join. So when you do the join, is basically the when the return the record from the both the matching one in the both table. That's the inner join. The left join is return record from the left table to the match record from the right table, and the same
Yeah.
thing on the right table is opposite the vice versa.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, what is the difference between table and a view? So view doesn't have anything data or value. Okay, the view only you always gonna find on top of the table, right? The
Yes.
more we updated the table, the more you view gets updated.
Yes.
What is the difference between temporary tables in so it's a local and global. So when you create the table is same server is created and updated, you can say in the same time, but when you disconnect it you can't see it. Global temporary files, when you create and access, you can use the different servers from the different console and you can access within a system. What is the difference between connect and delete? Connect and delete. Connect, delete all the data, but it keep the intact of the. It doesn't keep intact of the table integrity of the table, right? But when you try
Mhm.
to do the delete, it's only delete the specific what you're supposed to delete. So it's
Yeah.
and keep the table data intact. Store
Mhm.
procedure is the query that we keep repeating it again and again, and we save that procedure. That's called a store procedure. Basically, when you try to keep giving the same command again and again, so you keep running this query, that's store procedure. What are the default frames? It's a primary default primary group default.
Default primary files.
Oh.
When we create database, there's
Uh-huh.
a primary file group. A primary file group can have some data files like MDF and LDF.
Oh yeah, master data file and log data file.
Yeah.
Okay. And different types of replication, right?
Yeah.
Snapshot, merge, peer-to-peers, and full transactional. And what is a distributed database? Uh, it's a collection of the database that's physically distributed in a distributed database management system that's manage the database and expect the transparent to the users.
Okay.
And I stopped over there. Means I try to understand, and remaining I'm doing it because
This is a
I'm
part
trying to
of,
get.
yeah. Okay.
Uh, then that's what I stopped it so far because I'm trying to get in my head, the theory to make it the useful that I can put it in my own term. So that's
Okay.
what.
So just give some more time on that.
Yeah,
We are running very slow.
I know. I'm really sorry, but like I said, I'm just trying to get it so I don't forget anything. Like just
Yeah, because we have spent more than 50 days, I think so.
yeah, yeah. Mm.
We need to complete that as soon as possible because it will consuming time and
You wanna give
because
me one?
being
You
a
wanna give me?
DBA, we should complete our task in a time frame basically.
Okay, okay.
Yep.
You wanna give me just one more though? I'll finish this remaining 10 questions till tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. And I
Uh,
think we have done
you added more
log
questions?
shipping. Yeah, you tell me.
Okay. I didn't see. Can you send me one more, the new one, so I can start doing the new questions too?
No, I have not added anything. Just log shipping I have added. That is what are different type of jobs in log shipping when we
Okay.
implement so
No,
that we have
because
backup
I have
job.
only 26 questions.
No, it is 27, I think so.
Okay, okay.
Okay, just I will
Okay.
forward this question to you again.
Okay.
Basically, we have done all these things,
Yeah.
and just we have to keep in mind. Basically, in Fresher or L1 DBA support, every interviewer asks this type of questions.
Yes, yes. Thank you
So
for understanding me. It's just I'm just a slow learner, but I'm trying to get it because.
yeah, it's good, but I think because there's a time frame for every activity, so we should complete all these activities in a time
Okay.
frame. This is
I'll
a good.
remember.
Yeah, yeah,
It won't happen again. I promise.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Mm.
So we have next what we have to do. We have completed log shipping. Now we have a replication. Okay. So replication is I think on can we start tomorrow? I think.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. That's
So
cool.
yeah, just give some
Yeah.
time on the replication part. Just see the
Mm.
difference of replication and the type of replication. So that will be
Yeah,
helpful to understand you
yeah,
basically.
yeah, yeah. The replication types is snapshot, merge, transactionals. Those are.
Yeah, and peer to peer. So just
Yeah.
I will perform activity on just transactional and a snapshot only. I will show you the
Okay.
steps and what are the terminologies behind that to implement a replication and what are the best practices where we have to keep in mind what we have to change or not. So what are the drawbacks of replication we will see tomorrow. And I think then we have replication, then we have mirroring we can do, and mirroring I think not possible in developer edition, I think so.
Okay.
Next we have done monitoring as well,
Mm.
and what is pending? Okay, I think we have done that. I think next couple of days I think we have, and we will finish that
Okay.
course. I think yeah. So for your L1 to L1 level, I think we have more than 70 questions. So if you complete this course, we will take
Yeah.
a final interview session from end to end. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So okay, just keep practice, and
Uh,
we'll meet tomorrow
Okay,
for
no
the
problem.
yeah
Thank you.
yeah
Uh,
yeah. Thank you.
just wanted to ask you want to take it the same time or you want to change my time? Or this is the perfect time for you?
This is perfect time for me, but you can
No,
we
it's
can
good.
join an hour before. I think 10 p.m. IST. You can
Okay, so we'll do it at 10 o'clock. Okay?
yeah, tomorrow 10 o'clock. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye.